Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. Hey YouTube. Okay, I am back with another video. This video is a sad video. This video hit close to home because my baby has broke on me. Yes. The Magic Chef, what is it, a 1.7 has broke on me. I already have my new washer, which I will be uploading a video on that. I definitely had to use this opportunity to upgrade. But when it did happen, it was a sad moment because I had a lot of laundry to do. But anyway, I'm here to let you guys witness what's wrong with this washer. Now, disclaimer, I love this washer. This washer has been very good to me. I had it for 5 years. So it was getting to that point, and we all hate when it gets to that point. And it is what it is. I feel like it's been good to me. Normally, what I would do is I would do the zip tie string with the sink thing, but because this is my last time using this washer, like I literally only kept it for this video for you guys, I'm not gonna do the zip ties. I'm just gonna like hook it because it doesn't spin. It no longer spins. So it's gonna wet the clothes, it's gonna cut on, it's gonna start, it's gonna get you all hyped up and happy, and then you're gonna realize like, oh, it doesn't work, it's broke, it's a catfish. So yeah, because I know that's not gonna work, I'm not gonna put that many clothes in it because I'm just going to do laundry after this. So we're just going to put a few items. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? I'm going to keep it nice and light so you guys also can see that the weight of the clothing is not the problem. It's completely the machine. And I had insurance on it up to 5 years, and it just made its 6-year mark. So, go me. So, this is how it looks inside. We are going to turn it on. As you can see, everything comes on. One full load without soak is 44 minutes. I have it on warm. Please, if you guys are new to this, just know I'm true to this. Keep it on warm. Warm means that it collects water from hot and cold. Okay, you could call this the empty side, and you're going to just screw it on. You want to screw it on to cold. I had to move the wire out the way because in that washer it requires like cold water. So I'm just going to put it on the cold side. You could get some pliers to make sure you twist it on there really, really good. I'm just going to trust my instinct, okay? But keep it on warm. We could do bulky because that's fine. And yeah, we're not going to do an extra rinse or nothing like that. I'm going to add some... Should I even add some detergent? Honestly, to tell y'all the truth, I'm not going to add no detergent. Because I want y'all to see that it's not going to work. And then when I have to wash it in my new dryer, that's... Well, I'm going to wash it in my new dryer right after this. But to me, it just makes no sense to waste detergent. Detergent's expensive, okay? It's currently 2026 and life is expensive as it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I'm going to press play. And then the water comes out. This is like blurry. But yeah, the water's coming out. You can hear it. This is the part that I was waiting for. It's not moving. You see how it's making that noise? This is supposed to spin. And it's like the motor. The motor won't spin. See, look. It's not moving. It's making a noise as it moves. It knows that I opened up the door. The water, it's filled with water. It knows when to stop the water too. It won't move. It won't spin. And because it made the noise, the first time I used it and it was broke, I thought it was working because I hear the noise of it spinning. But then come to find out, it's not spinning. So let's press play again. You see, it's not moving. And I have a video on my washer. I have like at least 2 or 3 videos on this washer because like I said, I had it for 5 years. And you guys are always curious to know about portable washers and dryers. This is definitely the channel for you. I done been through so many portable dryers. Please go on my channel, take a look. Right now, I currently have the best one on the market, in my personal opinion. It is expensive, but it's worth every penny. This was my baby, okay? You were my baby, and she died on me. And I'm not even mad. I'm not mad. I think I paid like $3 and some change for this. So, you know. So I'm not really that mad that it died on me because I wanted the bigger machine anyway. This is the 1.7. This one can fit in my bathroom. The new one that I have currently cannot fit in my bathroom. It can only fit in the kitchen because it is a big boy. I have the 3.0 now. Definitely gonna post a video on that. So stay tuned to my first impression and first wash video of my new washer. Would I still recommend this washer? I would, but after having a washer that I have now, I realized this washer is not that powerful. And listen, if you're somebody who likes a medium instead of a large, go for this. I'm not saying it's bad. It's far from bad. It did the job for me for plenty of years. I just want something that's bigger to make my life easier and less loads of laundry that I have to do because I have a 3.8 or 3.5 GE portable dryer, and it's huge. So this little washer wasn't equaling to my dryer, but that's my personal reason for why like I wanted to upgrade. And as you can see, like the time, it says 40 minutes. It thinks that it's washing it. The time is going down. It really thinks that it's washing it, and it's really not. And then you get your clothes and it be left like this, and you're like, this doesn't look washed. It does not look washed. And it's not. It's dirty. So, yeah, like, I don't understand. But it rinses and everything perfectly fine. Like, if I was to just put it on spin, right? Watch this. So the water's going to come through here. See? It does that perfectly fine. Which drains the water out, so it's not like the water is stuck or anything like that, you know. I just missed my zip tie. I wish I had my zip tie. There we go. And the water's coming out. Oh, that water stinks. But yeah, guys, it partially works. I'm pretty sure, like, if you're a handy person that knows how to deal with machines, probably could fix it. Me, I could barely put a picture on the wall. Definitely bought a new one. I'm gonna be throwing this one out soon. And yeah, I still recommend it, but just do your research. Like, do your research. So now this is supposed to be the part where it spins because it's currently on spin. And this is what it's gonna do. It's again making sure all the water is out. It's supposed to be spinning. That's the noise. It's supposed to be spinning. And it's still not spinning. And the time is going down. It just was 8, now it's 7. Yeah, guys, this is my final video for my baby. Treated me great throughout the years. Like I said, I have another video. I have a few videos on it. So if you're curious to know how this machine works when it's actually working, check out those videos. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Stacy P. I review things that make your life easier. Me personally, I don't live in a luxurious apartment. Portable does it for me, so maybe it'll do for you. And also I have other things, like I'm just a house and hack fanatic, honestly, to tell you the truth, and I'm completely okay with it. But yeah, guys, like I said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let's cheerio to another video.